All right, for number 29, we have a circle in the xy plane as equation x plus 3 squared plus y minus 1 squared equal 25. Which of the following point does not lie in the interior of the circle? Okay, we want to know which one's not on the inside of the circle. So for this one, we could do it graphically, right? We could draw the graph of the circle. We know from the equation, the center of the circle is h comma, okay, so we look at number in the parentheses and make them opposite. So center of the circle should be -3, 1. And 25 is r squared, so radius should be 5. Okay, we could graph this out and see what it looks like, right? Okay, so that's actually not a bad way to do it, because we just try to graph it very carefully and try to draw it to scale. So let's give it a try. If it doesn't work, then we could do it algebraically. Okay, but if you graph this as -3 to the left, 1, 2, 3, right? Let me just make a couple point, draw the axes first. Okay, so 3 to the left, 1 up. This is the center of the circle. Okay, and then the radius is 5, so we go 5 each way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up here. And 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So at -4, another dot. And we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At -8 is another dot. Okay, so you kind of connect the dot and draw the circle. This will be a graph of our circle. This is a little bit challenging. Okay, so let's draw this out. Okay, so yeah, so it's, fairly accurate. Okay, so we can, then what we can do is we can go through the answer tree, right? Plug in each point and see which one is not on the inside of the circle. That would be our answer. All right, so we know for sure 0, 0 is definitely inside. Okay, 0, 0 right there. So that's definitely good. So that's not the answer. That's the inside, so not the answer. And then 3, 2. Well, where's 3, 2 is? Seems like 3, 2 is on the outside, right? Okay, 3, 2 right there. But let's just verify this. -3, 1. That's actually the center, so that's definitely gonna be on the inside, so not the answer. And then -7, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of 3. Seems like it's right on the circle, right? If I graph it correctly. So between A and D is definitely D. D is definitely outside. Okay, so it had to be D. Okay. If you want to verify this algebraically, what we can do is this. So if you can plug in, let's just verify answer D real quick. If you plug into the equation, if it's then if it's inside a circle, if you plug in the point, we should get less than 25. Okay, if the number on the left side we plug in is less than 25, it will be inside. If it's equal to 25, it'll be right on the circle. And if it's greater than 25, then it'll be outside the circle. Okay, that's how we can tell. So if you plug in 3, 2, this will be like, see, x is 3. It'll be 3 plus 3 squared plus 2 minus 1 squared equal to, right? If we solve that, let's see, what do we get? That'd be 6 squared plus 1 squared is 36 plus 1, 37. Okay, this is greater than 25, so it'll be outside the circle. Okay, so greater than r squared will be outside. So again, that confirmed D should be our answer. Okay, so that's it for number 29.